Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will give you a care guide on this beautiful plant named the Sensiveria. This is commonly known as the snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. It is one of the most best, it is the one of the best air purifying plants, and it also comes under the top 5 air purifying plants by NASA. So today I will give you its care guide. This comes actually in two types. Actually, one is this kind of plant, and another is the dwarf version of it. The dwarf version of it is known as the bird's nest. There, let me tell you, there are two kind of snake plants like those two I said. Another one is the variegated. Both of them have variegation. The bird's nest also has variegation, plus this one also has variegation. Now let's move on to the care guide or the care tips. This is a very hardy plant and is the most suitable plant for beginners. First we will see for soil. The soil can be any kind of soil. You can use normal soil or any potting mix. But since I was planting it in a plastic pot, I had to use sand. Otherwise, in terracotta cement pot, normal soil is even fine. The pot is a plastic pot. You can use terracotta cement. Ceramic is a good one because it adds beauty. And let's see about watering. Watering will be done in this plant every time when the soil is dry to touch. If you For how to know, first insert your finger here. If the soil is dry, then you have to water it. It is even fine if you forget to water, because this is a kind of succulent. Its leaves are very thick and they store water, but they do not store water in the quantity succulents do store. Yeah, I forgot to mention about the soil. Now, in the soil, if you are using garden soil, then it is completely fine. Your snake plant will be nice and healthy, and it will grow a bit in a sturdy manner. But if you have planted your snake plant in potting mix like this, I had actually recycled a teacup, so their leaves will be a bit longer like this and very skinny, plus they will be very limpy. Now, here is my variegated snake plant. If we talk about light requirement, perhaps this is the best plant. This can tolerate very low light. Let me just switch off the, wait, oh, it's not working. Fine, but like I keep it in my living hall, and in the afternoon we cover the curtains of our back door balcony, so it is a bit, you can say it is a bit dark. So this plant does even survive in dark and also direct sunlight. You can even place it in a dark room, but it should have a bit of direct light. It can be the, you can like grow lights or normal light, normal lighting. Now the next is the benefits of snake plant. Like I said, it is one of the top 5 plants in NASA study. So it purifies air, as well as it releases oxygen at night. So this is even a very nice bedroom plant. You can even keep it in your bedroom. And now propagation. This plant can be propagated in two ways. One is through divisional propagation, which is like if a plant is growing there, it produces a rhizome and another plant pops out from the soil. When the plant gets mature, you can cut the division and you have two plants. The other propagation is through the leaf propagation. You take a nice healthy leaf, cut it into half, and then you can either make small cuts like this is a leaf. You can make like small, so it will produce one, or you can take the whole leaf and it will produce many pups. So this is my first propagation of the snake plant. Sorry, not the first, but my first leaf propagation. I have planted it in this terracotta pot. This is in potting mix now. Earlier it was in garden soil. You can see, like, I have collected 4 pups from it. About propagation from leaves, I will make a completely different video. Otherwise, divisional propagation is not a very hard thing to do. So you can see, but a variegated leaf, if you're propagating it, will give you a normal plant. I mean the plant with no variegation. Now I will say you a fact of mine. I had planted this cutting last year of May, and today is August of 2018. I planted it in May of 2017. Now watering also, like I said, but do not over water it. If you're keeping it in a plastic pot, that you should have sand, and a terracotta is fine. Plus this plant does grows rapidly if you add more. Yes, about fertilizer I had completely forgotten. Yes, about fertilizer is that you can add organic fertilizer. Chemical fertilizer is fine, but for steady growth you can add organic one. So with this, I do hope that you like this video and it would have been informative for you. Do try these plants. These are one of the best plants. Comment down below and do subscribe to my channel.